Okay, students, now next topic is some more types of matrices. In this, first one is idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. A matrix is said to be a idempotent matrix if square of that matrix again you get same matrix. That means let us take one matrix A. If you go for A square is equal to again you get A, then that matrix is called idempotent matrix. If B square is equal to B, then that matrix is called idempotent matrix. Okay. So based on this one, if you take one example. If AB is equal to A, BA is equal to B, okay, then first property, first one, we have to prove A comma B are idempotent. Okay, second one, A plus B, if A plus B whole power 7 is equal to some K into A plus B, then find the value of K, or for what value of K, this A plus B whole power 7 is equal to K into A plus B. So for this one also same condition, AB is equal to A, BA is equal to B. Third one, A plus I whole power 5 is equal to some I plus Ka for what value of K. Okay. Here first one we are going to prove A comma B are idempotent using these conditions. Idempotent means what? They didn't give the matrices A comma B clearly. We don't know entries in that matrix. That's why what we have to prove, that one we have to take. First we have to take A square. For that A square, we have to use these two given conditions. Again, if you get A, then that matrix is called idempotent matrix. See, first one proof. Okay. See, what you have to prove? A square is equal to A. Consider A square. A square, how can you write? A into A. So first A, this one how can you write? A is equal to AB using this condition. So they given AB is equal to A. So just you write AB is equal to A, AB into A. So in matrices associative property hold. So you have to write A into BA also. Okay. So now what is the value they given? BA is equal to B. Since BA is equal to B. So but AB is equal to how much they given again? A only. Same property. See, if A square is equal to A, then it is idempotent matrix. Next one, B square. Similarly, B square how can you write? B into B. So B means how can you write? B means BA into B. Clear? So again apply associative property. B into AB. But AB is equal to how much they given? A only. Okay, BA. But BA is equal to how much they given? B. So totally B square is equal to B. So A square is equal to A, B square is equal to B. So first one is proved. Now go to second one. A plus B. In the second question, they may be any power. They may be give any power, not only 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, whatever may be. So we have to say the value of K, for what value of K. If they given 9, this value of K will be varied. If it is 10, this will be changed. Okay. So before going to A plus B whole power 7, you take A plus B whole square. Okay. First one as is the A plus B whole power 1 means A plus B only. You can't do anything. A plus B whole square, next one. A plus B whole square means generally without taking AB is equal to BA, generally what we have? A square plus AB, already yesterday I proved, plus BA plus B square. Yes. But what they given? A square plus AB is equal to A they given, BA is equal to B they given. So a square plus a plus ba is equal to b means b plus b square. Okay, already what we have proved here, a comma b are idempotent matrices. A comma b are idempotent matrices means a square is equal to a, b square is equal to b. So this a square you can write as a only, b square you can write as b only. So totally how many a's? 2a plus 2b. So take the 2 common, 2 times of a plus b. Yes. Similarly, a plus b whole cube you take. A plus b whole cube means a plus b whole square into a plus b. So a plus b whole square, what you have here? 2 times of a plus b into a plus b. See, now multiply. What you have here? 2 times of, again this is a plus b into a plus b. A plus b whole square, same formula. A plus b whole square means 2 times of a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. Okay. So this is equal to 2 times of, again this a square you can write as a only, ab they given a, ba they given b, b square is equal to b because idempotent matrices. So 2 times of, this is 2a plus 2b, the 2 take outside. So what we write? 2 into a plus b. So totally 4 times of a plus b. See here, a plus b whole power 1 into a plus b. So power 1 means 1 only. Coefficient in the place of k. In the place of k, 1 only. That means power means n is equal to 1, k is equal to 1. If power n is 2, in the place of 7 they may give n also, no problem. So if they given n is equal to 2, what is the value of k? What is the value of k? 2. If n is equal to 3, what is the value of k? 4. Okay. So n is equal to 3, k is equal to 4. Here how much they given? N is equal to 7. For n is equal to 7, what is the value of k? See, this one you can write as 1 into 1. This 2 you can write as 2 into 1. Is it possible? 3, is it possible to 4 into 1? No. So we cannot generalize this one. See, you go for one more. Go to one more idea. K is equal to 1. How can you write? This is nothing but 2 power 1 minus 1. Yes? 2 power 1 minus 1. This one how can you write? 2 square minus 1. This one 2 square minus 1 means 4 minus 1, 3. Okay? Here k, here k is n is equal to 1, k is equal to 1. This one how can you write? One stick it out. So this one I can write as 2 power 1 minus 1. That means 2's power 0. That is 1. This one how can I write? For n is equal to 2, it becomes 2 power 2 minus 1. 2 power 2 minus 1. Power 2 minus 1 means 1. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. For k is equal to 4 means based on n is equal to 3. How can I write this one? 2 cube minus 1. Okay. Similarly, for n is equal to 7, what can I write here? 1 means 1 minus 1. 2 means 2 minus 1. 3 means 3 minus 1. 2 power. So 7 means, how can I write? 2 power 7 minus 1. If it is n, if they given here n, what is this value? 2 power n minus 1. K is equal to 2 power n minus 1. If they given 10, 2 power 10 minus 1. If it is 20, 2 power 20 minus 1. If they given 2 power 2021, this will becomes to 2 power 2021 minus 1. Okay, so now this k value is nothing but 2 power 7 minus 1 means 2 power 6. Okay, that is our answer. 2 power 5 means next third one. a plus I whole power 5. They may give a plus I whole power 5, whole power 6, whole power 7, whole power 10, whole power 2021, whole power n also. So we just generalize this formula for n. So if you get the value of at the power is n, then you can decide the value of k and n is equal to 5. Okay. So a plus I, first you take as it is, you write a plus I only. Next one, a plus I whole square. How can I write a plus I into a plus I? Okay, clear? See here, this is nothing but a plus I whole square. You can write as a square. Actually, directly you can write without write a plus I whole square. So what is that? A plus b whole square means a square plus ai plus ia plus a. Very clear answer. So this is equal to a square, they given a only because idempotent matrix using first property. Ai is a only, ia means a only, algebraic properties, plus it is here I square. So I square means what here? I. A plus b whole square, a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. Here b means I. So this is totally 3a plus I. Similarly, if you go for a plus I whole cube, okay, if you go for a plus I whole cube, what you get? Similarly, this is nothing but a plus I whole square into a plus I. Okay, see what you got, the a plus I whole square, 3a plus I into a plus I. So 3a into a. So what you get? 3a square. Yes, 3a into I. 3ai. Next, ia. Distributive property. How you multiply algebraic expressions? Same like. Plus I into I square. A square means a only, 3a. Plus 3ai means 3a. ia means a. I square means I. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7a plus I. Now you can generalize. See, for n is equal to 1, this k value, k is equal to how much we have? I is common. A plus I whole power 1, I plus a, or a plus I plus 1 k into a. Here, in the place of k, 1 here. In the place of k, 3 here. In the place of k here, 7. For n is equal to 1, k is equal to 1 only. For n is equal to 2, k is equal to 3 only. N is equal to 3, k is equal to 7 only. So, for n is equal to 5, what you have? K is equal to how much? We generalize for n. What? For what value of n? K is equal to 1. N is equal to 2, k is equal to 3. N is equal to 3, k is equal to 7. So, 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Is it correct? When can you get 3? For n is equal to 2, k is equal to 3. Is 1 into 2, 3, or 1 plus 2, 3. Similarly, for n is equal to 3, k is equal to 7. How can you generalize? Once you think it out. See here, k is equal to 1 means this one also. How can I write? 2 power 0 you can write. This 0, we have to use this n. How can I write? 1 minus 1. This one, how can I write? 2 power, use this 2 minus 1. So you write here 2 power 1 minus 1. It will change. 2 square minus 1. 2 power 2 minus 1 gives 2 only, but that is not 3. Okay. See here, 7 means 2 cube minus 1, 8 minus 1, using this 3. See, if you have it is n only, if you take n as n, then what is the value of k? 2 power n minus 1. Okay. See, this is nothing but, here what can I write? K is equal to 2 power 5 minus 1, not in the power. 2 power 5 minus 1. 32 minus 1. 31. Okay. Next model. Next one is involuntary matrix. involuntary matrix. A matrix A is said to be, capital A is said to be involuntary matrix if A square is equal to I. Just remember, it should be a square matrix. Okay, A square is equal to I. So if you multiply itself, you get I, that is involuntary. If you multiply itself, you get same matrix, idempotent. See the difference. Okay. Next one is nilpotent matrix. Nilpotent matrix. See here, a square matrix A is said to be nilpotent matrix if A power n is equal to O, here not itself or I. A square matrix A is said to be nilpotent matrix. See, A power n is equal to O. Here n should be least positive integer. Here n should be least positive integer. Then this matrix is called nilpotent matrix of index n. Index n meaning is, once you check it out, if suppose if you have A cube is equal to O, that means A is not equal to O, A square not equal to O. A cube is equal to O. Then this matrix is called nilpotent matrix of order 3. If suppose A is not equal to O, A square not equal to O, A cube not equal to O, A power 4 is equal to O, 0 matrix, then this matrix is called nilpotent matrix of order or index 4. See, because of if A power 4 is equal to O, for suppose if A power 4 is equal to O, it may be A cube is equal to O or A square is equal to O, then you don't say here index is 4 or order 4. Okay, then and A is not equal to 0, then here this is the nilpotent matrix of order 2. Okay. Next one is periodic matrix. Next one is periodic matrix. A square matrix is said to be a periodic matrix. Okay. If A power k plus 1 is equal to again A. You know periodicities. Same like here also. Okay. For suppose A power k plus 1 in the place of k, if I suppose here 1, then it is a periodic matrix. This k should be least positive integer. The k should be least positive integer. For suppose, if I suppose A cube is equal to A cube is equal to A means, this means you can write as A power 2 plus 1 is equal to A. So here this order is 2. That means here order in the sense period 2. You call this is period 2. So this is the periodic matrix with the period 2. This 2 should be least. This 2 should be least. If you want to say A power k plus 1 is equal to A is periodic matrix with the period k, this k should be least positive integer. For suppose A power 4 is equal to A cube is equal to A. So A power 4 means 3 plus 1, here A cube is equal to 2 plus 1, but A square is not equal to A. Then which one is the least number? 2 is the least number. So this is the periodic matrix with period 2. Okay, clear? This is the periodic matrix. So a matrix is said to be periodic matrix with the period k if A power k plus 1 is equal to A, where k is a least positive integer. Okay, based on this one, to take one example, not only periodic, all these different types of matrices. I give one question. If A is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3 is dash. First option, involuntary matrix. Second one is nilpotent matrix. Third one is idempotent matrix. Fourth one is periodic matrix with period 2. With the period 3. You take 3. See here, whatever you have in this matrix, we have to do one thing. Let us take A given matrix. We have to find out A square. If you get A square is equal to A, idempotent matrix. If A square is equal to I, involuntary matrix. Otherwise, if you didn't get these two, go for A cube, A power 4, like that. Whenever you get O, A cube, A power 4, A power 5, whenever you get a 0 matrix, that is a nilpotent matrix. If you get a, after A cube, A 4, A power 4, A power 5, if you get again A, that means periodic with some period. Okay, clear? See, first of all, you go for A square. A square is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. Again multiply itself. 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. So just multiply row to column. 2 2s are 4. So 4 plus 2 minus 4. Next 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8. Next one, 2 into minus 4, third column, minus 8 minus 2 into 4 minus 8 minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12. Next, second row to first column, minus 2 minus 3 plus 4, 2 plus 9 minus 8 minus 1 into minus 4 4, 3 into 4 12, 4 into minus 3 minus 12. Next, 1 into 2 2 minus 2 into 1 plus 2 minus 3 into 1 minus 3, 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Next, third row to third column, 1 into minus 4 minus 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 8 minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. So this is equal to 4 plus 2 minus 4, that is 2 only, minus 8 plus 8, sorry, minus 10 plus 8, that is minus 2. So minus 16 plus 12, that means minus 4, that is minus 5 plus 4, minus 1, 2 plus 9, 11 minus 8, 3, 4 plus 12 minus 12, 4, 2 plus 2 minus 3, 1, minus 2 plus 6 plus minus 6, minus 2, minus 4 minus 8, minus 12 plus 9, minus 3. So what you get again in matrix here? You want to observe here, 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 3, 4, 1 minus 2, minus 3, 1 minus 2, again here. So what is this matrix? This is nothing but idempotent matrix, but it may be periodic matrix also. But what they given periodic with period 3. If you have one more option here in the place of this one, periodic with period 1, that is correct. Because of A square is equal to A means what you write, A power 1 plus 1 is equal to A. Here in the place of K 1, it is also periodic matrix, but with period 1. But here I gave 3. Okay, so I give one more question based on this one. You try this problem. If A is equal to same options 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 3 minus 4 is